going to show you a little. Let me show you more of a closer look, where you can see the small little magnets. See the little magnets right there? Okay. So once you flip that over and flip it in place, those magnets will hold it right in place, and you don't really worry about it moving around on you. So I thought that was pretty clever. See, it holds it right in place. If you've done water heaters before, you know that sometimes putting this little plate back in place can be a little difficult, but they've made this pretty easy with the magnetic um, uh, gasket. It makes it a lot easier. It holds it in place, so you don't have to fight trying to hold the gasket in place and screw the plate down.